Here's a quick overview of how to use your calendar. Just click here to navigate to your calendar. It's easy to create an appointment. Simply click on New Appointment. Enter the details of your event. Type in the names of the contacts you'd like to invite. And click Create. Your appointment will now appear in your calendar. If your plans change, you can update your calendar by clicking on the event and selecting Edit. Make your changes, and then click Save. To navigate to a particular day in your calendar, just click the day you'd like to see from the mini calendar in the top left corner. Click Today to return to the current day from any other calendar page. To quickly navigate between weeks, use the forward and back arrows beneath the toolbar. You can change the layout of your calendar by clicking on View. You can choose from Day, Work Week, a Complete Week, Month, Year, or List View.